The criminal investigation involving former Education Minister Ruel Reid and the Caribbean Maritime University is near completion, according to the Financial Investigation Division.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Chief Technical Director at the Financial Investigation Division, Sykes, says the criminal investigation of fired Education Minister Ruel Reid and the Caribbean Maritime University CMU is very close to being completed. Mr. Sykes says the FID and its counterparts in the Jamaica Constabulary Force are being thorough in their probe. The FID head says an impartial approach is being taken in the investigation.
Utter impartiality, but it is a complex matter with many different avenues that we are ensuring that we select the best one for prosecution to ensure the best chance of success. All I can say is that it's a voluminous investigation, a lot of different avenues that we're pursuing. There's a lot of data, financial and otherwise, that we're looking at. We would like to resolve the matter as quickly as possible as well, but we want to make sure that the investigation is thorough and that it is watertight. And that is what we are going to do. We are very close to completion. We have dedicated a lot of time and resources to this one. And we do believe we're close to finalization.
The FID is the law enforcement agency leading the investigation. On the 20th of March this year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness fired Reid from his cabinet. Among the reasons for Reid being sacked was word that public funds were diverted to an account belonging to a woman who is on the books of the government as Reid's household helper. In an interesting twist, the alleged helper was quoted in the print media on the weekend as accusing the former education minister of being the one who directed her to open the bank account. So far, Mr. Reid has denied all wrongdoings, and on March the 19th this year, a day before he was fired, the former education minister declared to the media that he has nothing to hide.
Broadly, what we're saying is that there has been a call for the Auditor General to do an investigation. So I myself, I'm anxious for the Auditor General to do their work. I know they have been in the ministry for some time doing their regular audit. So I think at this stage we should await the auditors to do their work. But the ministry has nothing to hide. We try to make sure we manage with great probity and, of course, accountability.
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.